Yo, fantasy football fam, want to win your league, talk trash with facts, and maybe even make your buddies cry just a little? Good, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you how to use AI magic to draft like a fantasy football legend, all for educational purposes, of course. First up, when should you draft? Don't be that guy drafting in July when half your picks get injured in preseason. The sweet spot? Draft 7 to 10 days before week 1. That's when you've got all the juice, injuries, depth charts, and sleepers are crystal clear. Now let's talk AI, aka your new fantasy brain. AI isn't just for billion-dollar tech bros. It can help you crush your fantasy draft. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Fantasy Pros, Draft Sharks, or even build your own model if you're super nerdy like that, no judgment. Try commands like generate sleeper picks for a 12-team PPR league, round 6-10. Compare RBs based on next 4 weeks' opponent run defenses. Suggest week 1 start. Sit decisions based on usage trends. Yep. Just type those in and watch your draft board light up like a Christmas tree. Who do we draft first? Start strong. First 2 rounds, lock in an elite RB or WR. Think of them as your team's spine, or at least their social media star. Top picks, Christian McCaffrey, a cheat code. Justin Jefferson, unguardable. Jamar Chase, Joe Burrow's BFF with benefits for your fantasy team. Tyreek Hill, the fastest man alive. Bijan Robinson, yeah, we're still in on the hype. You could reach for Kelsey if you're feeling spicy at the turn, but otherwise load up on skill positions first. Rounds 3-5, build the backbone. Now, stack value, grab your WR2, RB2, and if you want to get slick, scoop an elite TE like Mark Andrews or Sam Laporta before they vanish. Need a few gems? I like Chris Olave, DJ, Moore, and Kenneth Walker. Tons of upside without the early round price tag. Round 6-10, let's get sneaky. Time for your QB and flex weapons. Top AI approved picks. Trevor Lawrence, breakout alert. Jordan Love, sneaky late Q-bone potential. Zach Charbonnet, this dude could win you a week by accident. George Pickens, circus catches, and WR2 vibes. Sleepers, busts AI sees all. Late round darts, try Tyjae Spears, Josh Downs, or Dalton Kincaid. Players to fade. Carefully pass on Puka Nacua, Brock Purdy, Kyron Williams, and Smith and Jigba early. Their ADP scream trap. Don't forget weekly prompts. Your draft just the beginning. You can use AI every week to stay ahead. Prompt ideas: who should I start in week 2? Based on red zone usage. Give me flex rankings using projected snap counts. What are some trade targets for a 2-4 team needing RB depth? It's like having your own mini analytics team without the awkward team meetings. Wrap up, draft smart, win fun. So remember, draft late, start strong, use AI, and don't overthink the kicker spot. Seriously, this has been your fantasy football cheat code. Now go make your league fear your brain. And hey, for educational purposes only. Unless you win big, then I want credit. Drop a comment with your sleeper pick and let me know what AI prompt worked best for you.